Honey, trick or treat. Hello. You guys, today is gonna be an amazing day. I am gonna go ahead and show you guys the ultimate wet look. You guys, this is my signature eye that I've done forever. I need you guys right now, take off your makeup, get a mirror, grab all the darkest products you have, because we're gonna go ahead and achieve the sexy, slutty, glossy eye. Woo! Okay, you guys, now did you guys not enjoy the unboxing of Jeffree Star Cosmetics? I know you guys have been wanting me to do the all liquid lipstick look. It is coming, but right now I know you guys are like, Kimora, you have literally white liner on still. I ran out of my eye makeup remover, and last night it was so much fun. I went to the California Equality Awards. I got to meet so many people in the LGBT community, advocates, leaders. But today, we are gonna go ahead and do the ultimate sexy, seductive, wet, sultry eye. Now this eye I have been dying to do for you guys for the longest. Back in the day, when I was little baby Kimora, just working at a MAC cosmetics store, I was so obsessed with the hot, sexy, wet eye. It was one of the trends that MAC came out with where I was like, oh my god, I'm gagging. I used to call this the slutty eye, where it's just like, oh, I'm a slut. Look at me, I'm a slut. The goal of today is to make sure that the gloss is editorial. We're gonna get right into this thing. I have nothing on right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just literally make sure my skin is super hydrated. I wanna stay very silky. I wanna stay very wet. I wanna stay very like, oh, God. Literally, this is one of my favorite setting sprays. I can never announce this enough. A lot of you guys probably know that this is something that you use after your makeup, but honestly, if you use this before, it does keep your skin super hydrated. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just line the bottom of my eyes. Usually when it comes to layering black and making it wet, I like to get all my dry, weird pencil products on first, because when the gloss is on, it's literally the last product you put on. So you wanna make sure the eye is super dark. Now, first, you guys, you take your eyeliner. This is where you want to line up. So you want to do like a very thick line like that. Honestly, don't even worry about making it so perfect, because we're literally going to smear it and make it very like, oh wow, just like that. And then same thing on this side. Now this look, you guys, we could definitely use it for Halloween. Could be just something for like editorial shoots. I just really don't see a glossy eye going out at night and doing things, because it could get very like ooh. And also, if you guys haven't done this yet, I always like to look up and get on that waterline underneath the lash. I mean, that's a serious liner. It looks a little crazy, I know. But trust and believe, I will definitely blend it out. Now the black is on, everything is ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and pull all these auburn colors. Now, I love to break up the black with auburn. So all right here is literally gonna be brown. It's gonna be very pretty, faded out, very seamless. No lines. We don't need to cut any creases today. Let's go ahead and start dipping into the color. I'm gonna pick this weird brush. I'm gonna start with the auburn colors first. What really is gonna make this eye super editorial and sexy is the gloss. I'm really gonna work with these colors, like these red browns, darker red browns, a little bit of like this nice maroon color. I'm gonna also add some of Fetish from the Androgyny palette. And also, because my bone structure is very different from a lot of people, it's also important to really go with the bone structure of the face. I know a lot of these makeup artists, they don't really explain bone structure. They don't really dedicate the eyeshadow to be for you. So I'm gonna teach you guys also how to really go with your bone structure to kind of really give you like that edgy look, because not everybody's face is the same. So this color is like this nice brown. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this nice reddish brown, and we're really just gonna sculpt out the eye. So here, just really laying it out. And so you guys see here, now I have a really strong bridge. I have like this dip right here. This is kind of like my crease cutter. Like this is kind of like where I usually do like my creasing and all that good stuff. So when you guys see the bones pull in right here, that's literally like bringing out the skeleton of the face. Also, I do have a bone here as well. When I tend to blow up my shadows, I take my brush and I kind of switch my hand like that, and I just pull out. So I like to kind of take it, so I go like this and I just switch out just like that. See that? So my face, it looks super different when I look forward, and then when I go like this, you can kind of see something different. Let's go ahead and blend out here. And I'm just really making the shadows seamless. I'm just really making sure the blending is like very like, oh, because it's about to get real, you guys. So you guys see it's starting to kind of like blend out, but really the attention is like right here. I want it to be very like, oh, Now this is where we're gonna go ahead and start to really bring in the color. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip in this color like this, and I'm gonna start kind of working my way from here to here to here to here, just all around. This is a very fast look, so if you guys are going to like a Halloween party, or you guys need something to be really almost like a spooky but still like kind of has like its Model-S, this is a really fun shadow to do. Now I just warn you guys that when you guys do the wet look, just make sure your hair is up. Bring a little bit on the bottom. Really blend it out. Don't worry about the black yet, you guys. This is just kind of really fading out the edges. You know, before, like when I was at the Mac store, I would do this inside the store and people would come in like, what is she doing? I'm like, mama, hold on, I'm getting there. You'll start to see the liner starting to disappear a little bit. So that's good because your blending is sickening. And the whole purpose of this eye too, for the glossy eye, it's not supposed to look so perfect. It's almost supposed to look very accidental. That's the purpose, you guys. I'm gonna dip into some browns. I really want right here to be kind of brown. I used to literally do this every day at MAC, you guys. Now, when I used to work at MAC, which I actually worked there for like almost 8 years, it's definitely a brand that I learned so much from. I literally started off doing makeup there and just always been inspired. But on days when you can wear whatever makeup you guys want, because usually at MAC, there's like certain looks for every day. This was my look every day. I would be in like this poncho mesh shirt, hair completely bald, eyes like this, just walking in at 7 in the morning, getting ready to start the day. And when the staff would ask you like, what is the theme day or what are we doing? Honey, just look sexy. So you guys can see here, it's starting to kind of really give it like that nice fade. So I know this is gonna get darker. This is really what I wanted to create here, is like this nice dimension. This is the bone structure I was talking about earlier. If you're able to pull the shadow out and pull it up, now please do that because my eyes are a little different from yours. So I like to kind of keep it very seamless, just very like, oh. So now let's go ahead and start dipping into some darker colors. Blacks. Pack that black. Take the black eyeshadow and just really pack it in there. Now this is just gonna be eyeshadow. I'm not even using the liquid stuff yet because I really want to make sure like it is black. I think the more fallout the better for this look. Wow, I've never said that before, but the more fallout the better. So I'm gonna go get something darker. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Jeffree Star Beauty Killer. Okay, so once that black, it's almost even. So see, it's getting more even and even. Let's get some more blacks on the bottom. I love where it's going so far. I love, it's just so like editorial, it's seamless. I'm gonna pull out a little bit of Sugar Pill because I love their blacks. Their blacks are fucking amazing. The fallout is real, but that's why I didn't start my foundation yet. The fallout is real, mama. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna continue to do the black. Let's get some more on the bottom. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and jump into HAUS Laboratories Liquid Eyeshadow. Now this is almost like a black, I wanna say it's almost like milky, silvery black, which I'm actually very excited for. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on the eye all over to really give it like that black. Oh wow, that's fucking stunning. That is stunning. Oh my god, look how stunning that is. Take a little brush and let's blend out the edges. Damn, her products like literally I'm actually very stunned on how her products are sitting. Now it is a little too shimmery for my taste, but I don't mind it. Oh my god, that's so fucking pretty. I like to take a little brush and just really blend out that red we did earlier. Oh wow, that's so fucking pretty. Alright you guys, I'm so far so fucking obsessed with the Lady Gaga liquid eye. Like, look at it. It's like fucking amazing. Yeah, that's definitely an amazing product. I'm obsessed. So now let's go ahead and add some more black. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out some mascara. And then what the mascara does, it kind of breaks up, it kind of gives you a little bit of texture, so it's not so like, oh, you know? So what I do with this is I take it and I just literally tap my eye. So it kind of gives it like that edgy, I want to say black kind of feel. It just kind of gives you like that nice, not so clean and perfect eye. It might hurt a little bit when you do this. I don't want to look pretty. I want to look editorial. I want to look like I'm getting ready to do a runway. So far, you guys, loving the new HAUS Laboratories. Now this color is in Glam Attack. I think it's the blackest one they have. So you guys can see here, it's getting very like, I haven't even touched the gloss yet, you guys. I haven't even touched the gloss. And now I'm just gonna really blur out the edges so it's not so harsh. And don't worry about dipping this into product because you're gonna get a lot of product on. Look at all that black. Wow. I'm taking my finger and just really pressing it into the skin like that. Okay, gorgeous. Let's go ahead and get some nice auburn shimmers in there. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit from Fierce by Nature palette from Morphe. These colors are stunning. It's like almost like a red. And just really give it like that nice red feel. Alright you guys, so loving it so far. It looks very like seamless. It doesn't look so perfect, and that's the whole point of when the gloss is sitting everywhere. It's gonna be fucking phenomenal. I'm so excited for this. Let's go ahead and get some foundation on. I usually take strobe cream from MAC, and I just kind of, just a little bit, and my foundation here, and I mix it in. So this is kind of like how I usually do it. I take my little spatula and I just take it like that, and I just kind of mix it in just like that, and I just kind of mix it. It kind of makes the foundation very shimmery and like really pretty, and I just kind of like that. Now I'm gonna really not try to get so close to my eye because so much shadow is blown out. Just like that. Taking your beauty blender and just really making sure that it's blended evenly, but you guys do not get it close to the eye. Like you really wanna like watch where you go. Oh wow, it's so pretty when you get the foundation on. When you get the foundation on, you can start to kind of see that red auburny color again. So once the foundation is on, you guys can kind of see like it's more pooling up, it's getting cleaner, and a beauty blender really helps because what I do is I kind of blend in so the foundation is kind of milking into the shadow. Now let's go ahead and set the foundation. This is gonna get fun. Okay, so foundation is set and ready to go. See here, it's like really red here. It's very auburn, it's like smoky. It is not just black. I'm gonna go ahead and do some underneath my eye as well when this Fix Plus dries. So Fix Plus is on. Let's go ahead and just bronze out just a tiny bit, just like that. And then now, let's go ahead and highlight the skin a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Jeffree Star. This is in Diamond Wet. Spray the brush a little bit, you guys. Get that brush wet. I really don't want a matte face all today. So just really get in there. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some blush just to really give it like that warm. Going back to the eyes. Now let's go ahead and dip into some auburn colors just to really blow out. And now this is the last time we're gonna go ahead and auburn out the eye. Just like that. I love this kind of auburny blowout here. I love it blows out into black. So now, are you guys ready for the final piece? This is the gloss effect. With a color like this, clear glosses work very well because clear kind of keeps the true color. So today we're gonna go ahead and pull out the Jeffree and Morphe collaboration, and this one's called First Impressions. When I usually do this, I do like glosses that kind of squeeze out into two because you can really layer it. So I'm gonna do my best today because this does come with a wand. So we're gonna go ahead and try this together. But wow, I can't even stop looking at myself. I feel so like... Now, do not get it so close to the lash line because that is where we're gonna put on some lashes. Y'all ready? Are y'all keeping up with me right now? Because I know you guys are probably like, girl, I look insane. But until when the gloss is on, it's gonna be fucking stunning. Just kind of like pack it on. Look at that. Can you guys believe I used to go to work like this? My managers would be like, okay, that's the look. I like it. I'm into it. Look at this. Oh my God. Jeffree Star, if you are listening, I would love to do a wet gloss look for you. So hit me up. Oh my God, look at that. Look at this. Wow. I mean, she's gorgeous. This is like I'm gonna go see a Chanel fashion show. Just like I'm gonna go see a Balmain fashion show. So same thing here. Now you guys, if you guys got a gloss in a squeeze tube that works too, it probably does work faster. Boy, this is gonna be so hard to take off. I don't have any eye makeup remover. All right, you guys, so the gloss is, hold on. Wow. Girl, are we not gagging on the gloss right now? Like, this is the look. Let me just show you guys what the clear lip gloss looks like now. Wow, it's brown. This is a shade Jeffree has not came out with yet. I'm just like, cannot stop putting it on. Wow. So you guys, so far, before I forget, we have the color Glam Attack and First Impressions. Love it. I just want to go to Target and buy like stuff with this eye. Let's get some lashes on. Shout out to Love Lashes London. These look fucking amazing, you guys. I am so obsessed. I mean, like, look at this lash, you guys. This lash is huge. Oh, they do have names. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use That Girl. I see in here that they actually provide a cute mascara wand for you guys, which is awesome. So anyone that loves to combine their regular lashes, take a tweezer, and I love doing tweezer because you don't really rip the lash. So when you take a tweezer, you just kind of pull it as it is. I have to say this, love lashes. I love them so far. Like literally I can see, like I really want to see this lash on a regular normal eye. Oh yeah, Jeffree, I want to do this look for you. So now as that is drying, you guys, let's go ahead and get some lips. I'm thinking dark lips. I'm thinking sexy black. I'm thinking just, ooh, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips up with the liner, which is really weird because I've never used eyeliner as lipstick. So we get some of this. Remember that the liner I used in the beginning. So let's just go ahead and just color that. Oh wow, that's stunning. So shout out to Sugar Pill. We're gonna go ahead and keep the color 0 because that is the only black lipstick I have in the office. Wow, I'm like really like actually stunned. I was a little nervous before. Okay, so as that is drying, go ahead and put the same gloss. Look at this gloss. Remember, it started off clear. Wow, it's dirty. All right, you guys, we are finally done with the looks. What do you guys think? Take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Do I just not look like I'm running for Miss USA? I'm just kidding, girl. Are you guys gagging on this? I was a little nervous on showing you guys this look because this was the look that I wore every single day at work. And I remember everybody would get on me like, Vaughn, which is actually my real name. Vaughn, are you serious? Are you guys not living the wet look, the wet eye, the wet lip? Super dark, super fun, super cool. And I think honestly this is appropriate at this time of year because Halloween is coming up. So if you guys are getting inspired by this, I would love to see you guys recreate this look. It is October, so get ready, you guys. I have a lot of new videos coming up for theme and getting ready for October. I'm so excited. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends. I love you guys so much. Hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in a few days.